In terms of regular retracements within this downtrend of 2 fib levels or less, it can be normal to see peaks just over 100 for the CCI. Slightly deeper retracements can see a more defined peak over plus 100, similar to what's seen with more impactful reversals. Now, with a large spike up like this, a bullish perspective for a strong uptrend continuation would aim to have CCI values remain over plus 100 as price makes a normal minor bearish retracement, then continues sharply higher. There's still potential for the uptrend to persist as long as CCI values remain over 0. These will be, of course, weaker conditions from neutral to bullish, but it will still be a bullish advantage displayed by the indicator nonetheless. That is, of course, until a sharp drop below 0, followed by consecutive closes lower with price. Then, of course, the drop can eventually weaken, but there's still a distinct bearish advantage, especially with CCI values remaining closer to values at or below minus 100. Now with price and the CCI beginning to rise back up, it's similar to the previous example when we looked at oversold conditions and bullish reversal potential. In this situation, it would be preferable from a bullish perspective to have further uptrend development, accompanied by CCI values at or above plus 100 to indicate a strong uptrend, and to have values remain at least within the 0 to plus 100 range for the maintenance of at least a slight neutral to bullish advantage. Then just like before, there's the decisive close under the moving average resulting in negative values for the CCI. This is a moderately strong drop since values don't sustain under minus 100 for long, though values still do mainly stay under 0. During this shallower drop with lower yet still consistent red volume, another drastic spike up redirects bullish attention to see if CCI values will remain over plus 100 as price increases. This does not hold for long, so there's naturally no major uptrend continuation, and while the chart begins to drop even more, CCI values begin to enter the 0 to negative 100 range for a more distinct bearish advantage, just like we've seen with the initial phases of previous downtrends.